So how do you find your iPad if it's shut down? Let me show you some options you have. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. Well, you need to use some sort of other device, either one that you also have, like it's in perhaps an iPhone or a different iPad, which is also signed in to the same Apple account. In that case, it would be pretty simple because you can open up the Find My app, go to the devices below and click on the iPad that you cannot find, which is likely powered down. And the cool thing about it is that most likely some location will still be available. Even after the iPad has been turned off, it's possible that you'll see the last known location, which may not be, that far into the past. So it's possible that you'll still be able to find your iPad, even if it's, turned off, because you will see the last known location. So that is what I believe you should know about it. If you, however, do not have any other Apple device which you can do it through, then you can utilize any device by going to the web browser and by going to the iCloud.com. And in there, you have to sign in through your Apple ID, the one that has been used on the iPad that you are trying to find. And you will then be able to go to the Find My section and perform the very same thing which I've shown you before, but with the difference that we're now doing it through the web browser instead of a dedicated Find My application. So let me know if you managed to find your device. Subscribe for more tips and sort of like these tutorials in the future, and I'll talk to you later. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.